Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This is actually going to be kind of the 1,000 subscriber video and the giveaway video as well. I'm going to be going over just some sled updates and kind of stuff in the shop and kind of be talking about our journey to 1K and stuff like that and the giveaways. So first off, I want to encourage you guys that are new to subscribe to the channel. There's going to be a lot of wind noise in the background and probably like tin ripping off roofs and stuff because it's pretty cold up here this morning. And it's like below zero with the wind chill. So anyway, we got to 1,000 subscribers like a few days ago, and couldn't have done it without Two Vintage's help. If you haven't seen any of his videos, make sure you guys go do so. I'm sure most of you have or have came from the video that Two Vintage made. So he really helped out a lot getting us to 1K, so I can't thank him enough for getting us there. But the main giveaway, I'm going to step inside the shed real quick so I can kind of get out of the wind. We got the Indy here. I actually got that thing fixed up yesterday, so I'll go over that in a little while. But without the wind noise, maybe we can talk a little bit. The giveaway, I'm actually going to give away a pair of goggles. There's some kind of like motocross goggles. They're around like $60 pair of goggles-ish. I'll have a picture of them on my Instagram page, guys. My Instagram page is in the description of the video. Make sure you guys go check that out. If you don't have a picture or don't have Instagram, don't worry about it. I will try to get a picture of them on the community tab when I get the community tab unlocked on my channel, because it takes about a week after you hit 1K. So you guys will see that picture. I'll put that up, and for those who don't have Instagram can see the goggles. But basically all you have to do to enter that giveaway, just be subscribed, like this video, leave a comment down below how you found the channel, and that's basically it, or anything else you want to say in the comments. But just subscribe, like. If you can click on the bell, that'd be awesome. I can check that, kind of, but not really, so it is what it is. But if you guys can do those three things, you'll be entered in the giveaway. I'll let it run for maybe a week or two, and then I'll choose the giveaway winner with the random comment picker. So if you don't comment, you're kind of screwed. So make sure you guys do comment, and we'll figure out the shipping, and we can get in touch after the giveaway winner is chosen, and that'll be no big deal. But it's a nice pair of goggles, just something to give back to you guys for kind of sticking with me on our journey to 1K, and hopefully that will be awesome if someone wins those. The Indy here was working on it yesterday. It was doing the old rev up when you turn the handlebars to the right, and the throttle cables were all twisted. So I got that figured out. Did fuel lines on it, rerouted a bunch of stuff because they had it all sorts of whacked out, and the recoil rope was rubbing through the main fuel line, which was going to leak pretty soon. So we got that kind of figured out. Just need some track adjustments maybe, and idler wheel on the track. We got the Warrior and the you guys haven't seen the 480X really. We'll get some videos of that. That's actually one of the other members of Mickey Mouse Operations. That's his quad. I'm sure you guys will see him in a few videos. But here's the Warrior that you guys have seen. That's the $300 Warrior. There's the motor from the Warrior in the back. There's a bunch of stuff down here too, guys. Like, as you can see, there's a ton of stuff. Just a bunch of blaster parts. There's actually a Kawasaki Mojave 110, super rare four-wheeler underneath that tarp that needs to be put together and needs a top-end rebuild as well. But once again, just thank you for 1K. It's been a really cool trying to get videos out there a couple times a week, and we're trying to get more consistent. It's just tough with my schedule right now. But hopefully you guys are enjoying the sled videos. We're going to try to get some bike videos, but with the snow up here, it's kind of tough to do that. It's so cold to ride bikes, and they're not jetted for the weather. So sleds are kind of the nice thing to ride at this time. So once again, guys, be subscribed, like this video, comment something on this video, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. I'll keep you guys updated on when the giveaway is going to end, so you guys can go ahead and enter, and that'll be awesome. So once again, giving away a pair of goggles for the 1,000 subscribers. We're not going to be done at 1,000, guys. I hope we can keep growing, try to get to 2, 3, 4, 5, however many we can get. And we'll try to get the content better and better each time. We're still working on getting our angles for the GoPro shots. It's going to take us some time, guys, so I understand most of you guys did say stuff about it, which is good because sometimes we don't know what you guys want, and it really helps out. So don't be afraid to comment something about your opinion of the camera angles or anything like that. I'm not going to get mad over that. That's good. So then I know what you guys want and can make the content better so you guys will actually enjoy watching it. So once again, thank you to Two Vintage and anybody else who have shouted me out in the past. You guys are awesome. and keep up the good work. I'll try to do the same. One more thing I wanted to add, guys, is we are very close to being monetized on YouTube, and that's going to be awesome. We can actually start making a little bit of money and put it towards making better quality content for you guys, maybe upgrading our cameras and stuff like that, or saving up money for other projects. And I wanted to show you guys, if you guys want to see anything with like lawnmower experiments or anything with any of these pieces of equipment back here, there's probably like 20 plus lawnmowers back here. And I also have another 10 or 15 in another shed. If you guys want to see anything involving this kind of stuff, let me know. There's a few, there's like a snowblower back there, some tillers. I mean, I got all kinds of different things we could do and do engine experiments and whatever else. If you guys want to learn how to clean carburetors or anything related to these pieces of equipment, please let me know down in the comments. I just wanted to throw it out there because I don't really show it as much on the channel. And I just want to let you guys know that we do have this or these pieces of equipment to make videos about. If you guys so choose, please let me know down in the comments if that would be something you'd be interested in. Once again, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys in the next video.